Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate milkshake like restaurant. Use chilled whole milk, 3 scoops of quality chocolate ice cream, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup for rich flavor and texture. Blend on high for 10 to 15 seconds until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness with more syrup or a pinch of salt. Pour into a chilled glass and top with whipped cream and chocolate shavings for an authentic finish. Gather simple ingredients and the right tools to ensure consistent results every time. Use whole milk for creaminess and quality chocolate ice cream for depth of flavor. 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup balances sweetness without overpowering. Employ a strong blender to emulsify quickly and keep the shake cold. Chilling the glass adds a professional touch and helps the milkshake stay thicker longer when served. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipe inspiration anywhere while your milkshake chills, and its glare-free screen makes kitchen reads easy. It's lightweight and holds thousands of cookbooks for on-the-spot ideas. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Master simple techniques to lift your homemade shake to restaurant quality with minimal effort. Pulse the blender in short bursts to keep ice crystals small and temperature low. Adjust texture by adding a splash of milk or an extra scoop of ice cream depending on desired thickness. A tiny pinch of salt enhances chocolate complexity. Finish with whipped cream and grated chocolate for both flavor contrast and an appetizing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.